I'm beginning the Bell Flower decoration inlay on the dressing table. This is a Hepplewhite dressing table. I've got the bandings in here, and now I'm working on this leg face that has a bellflower decoration here in holly. So I'm marking that out. There's a stringing as well that goes all the way down to a banding down at the ankle of the leg. This is all 16th inch stringing, and then there'll be these bellflower shapes located here. So the template I'm using is this one. These are pulled out of SketchUp, and I paste the full-size template to some thick cardboard, and then I can mark out where the bellflowers go. I also in SketchUp can locate the center of this arc. So I've got that located, and I marked that on the leg here, that center point. Then I could use this little compass and poke it into that center point and scribe the arcs that make up this pattern up at the top of the inlay. So there are these arcs that go there. This compass has a little knife blade, so it created a small, very shallow mark. But then I could use carving tools to get into that line and deepen the border of that shape. So now I'm in the process of digging out a shallow trench for this holly stringing inlay that will be an arc up here at the top. The way I'm doing that is to use a 1/16 inch chisel, and I'm just making a bunch of parallel cuts with the chisel. I can hardly see that line. I got some sawdust in there. Just gonna highlight that line a little bit. Then I can just continue to cut in here. Maybe I can emphasize that line a little bit better with the compass. Oh, like this. And then that curvature I use for the inside. I think I use this number 310 millimeter carving tool. Then I'm going to also do the inside arc again here. I've got some sawdust in there, and I couldn't see the the line very well. And now I've got that 1/16 inch chisel. And then I've got a 32nd inch chisel to start to remove some little pieces there. I just need a shallow trench. 1/16 would be plenty. Okay, so I may use the little hand router to just work the depth of that a little bit better. But you can see how this groove can be made. So this arc will be mitered up here at the top, and then a long piece of stringing. That'll all be holly. This is cherry, by the way. Probably recognize that it's cherry. It really works nicely. So I may just use the little hand router to deepen that. And then that'll be ready to put a piece of holly in there. I will heat up the stringing with a little soldering iron and some water to get a shape, this bent shape. I may have to use the carving chisels to come down on that outer edge a little bit, but that's the process I'll use to clear out a little channel.